to America's largest notary conference. Service for the newest 10K class. Can we give a round of applause to the 20K Club? Everybody, congratulate the 2022 Signing Edge of the Year, Irene Ruda Caro.
Never too much, never too much, never too much.
But remember, the whole weekend's about resetting, reframing. I'm gonna keep saying it over and over until you guys stop hearing why you have to be grateful for everything you are, everything you do, everywhere you've been from. Gratefulness creates momentum. Gratefulness creates happiness. I am so grateful you decided to be here.
It's amazing. I love it. You learn so much at these conferences. You make so many great connections. I am a lifelong LSS Nation person.
LSS Nation!
You know, making these connections here at the Loan Signing Conference is just unreal. Like, it's just lighting a fire under me to keep pushing and, you know, grow my business as much as I can. And man, I'm just grateful for the whole thing. LSS Family Conference 2022, baby, let's go.
This is the Grateful Conference. I'm super grateful to be a part of what we're doing here, and I just cannot wait to see you guys at the top and not from the top.
When I say I am, you say grateful. I am! Grateful! I am! Grateful!